Creating reports with Network Detective is quick and easy and is broken into two steps: importing the data and then creating the reports. To import the data, first, you'll need to be inside of the Network Detective application. Next, you'll want to select from either the wizard or the right-hand bar to import a scan. In the new window that pops open, browse to your captured files. You can import as many files as you'd like, but need to have exactly one NDF from a network-wide data capture and an optional number of CDFs, SDFs, or other files from individual captures. Once you've picked the files you wish to import, next you need to choose how to import them. They can either go to a new archive, which is the default option. You can choose to rename this archive by selecting Browse in option 1, or, if you'd prefer to work with an existing archive, you can select Browse from option 2, select your existing archive to add the files into, and hit Next. As a somewhat optional step, if you choose to import any CDF files, you'll need to go through the Merge CDF wizard. Each CDF file contains information for an individual machine, and once merged in will fill in any gaps that may exist with that machine's data from the network scan. Simply choose if a machine belongs to a domain, pick to add it to a custom domain, or choose to exclude it from the scan. Pressing Merge will then marry the data sources together into a single network-wide scan and will let you move on to the next step. Now that you've imported your data, it will be in the Scans area of Network Detective. To create reports, simply select the archive and then click on Generate a Report from the right side bar. In the new window that pops open, choose which reports you would like to create. If your account has access to multiple modules, these may be separated by tabs for organizational purposes, but can of course be generated together. As an optional step, if any reports require additional information, such as an external vulnerability scan or an earlier scan to compare against, you'll need to provide that information before generating that report type. The last step is to customize your reports and then generate the output. The reports will pop open into a new window once they've been successfully created, but are also available in the Reports section to reference as needed.